Hi everyone, Nature Dreamweaver here, and I just wanted to have a sexy and funny dinner with you all. And I wanted to talk about a few things that the critics are saying about me being this vain narcissist, and it really hurting my feelings because really I'm a deeply, deeply spiritual being, just trying to shed love and light on the universe with my art. And that's why I wear Ganesh around my neck every day, to show people how spiritual I am. That's right. By the way, this special piece of spiritual jewelry was made by my good friend and ex-partner, Scott O'Keefe. Art partner, that is, not sexual partner. Anyway, he makes art too, and his website is myspace.com/emerald installations, and you can get some custom made recycled spiritual bling from him anytime you want. If you want to see my art, you can go to naturesdreams.info. That's right, naturesdreams.info, where you can see all the beautiful art that I have made out of nature. And you can vote for me as sexiest and funniest raw vegan male at bestofraw.net. Yes, in two categories, as sexiest and funniest raw vegan male at bestoffraw.net. Now let's have some sexy seaweed salad together. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, so good.